Assuring the security of your projects is mandatory, which is why we offer tools and solutions that will help you secure your public cloud project effectively. Security begins with fine-grained identity and access management. With the IAM functionality, you get granular control over who can do what within your cloud infrastructure. Federation and identity management enable you to connect to the corporate directory of your choice, providing simplified access management for your projects. You can find a tutorial dedicated to IAM in the description of this video, as well as in the top right-hand corner. Optimum management of OpenStack users is also key to security. While IAM allows you to fine-tune how you manage your OVHcloud Control Panel users and what you can do within the OVHcloud Control Panel, OpenStack users are reserved exclusively for managing your public cloud services. It is likely that several people or systems are working simultaneously on a public cloud project. By defining the rights and possible actions of these different entities, you can segment responsibilities and secure access to resources while avoiding errors or unauthorized actions. With the vRack, you can isolate your resources from public traffic via the private network and connect several projects from different regions to the same private network. You also get all the associated services, such as additional IPs, the load balancer, and OVHcloud Connect. Finally, by subscribing to the OVHcloud Public Cloud, you benefit from our anti-DDoS infrastructure. In short, the security of your public cloud is based on a combination of tools and best practices. IAM, OpenStack User Management, OVHcloud, anti-DDoS protection, and vRack are powerful tools that allow you to ensure the security of your different projects.